Hey everybody, so we made it to Hallstatt, Austria, and it's literally so incredibly beautiful. The drive from Vienna was amazing through the mountains, especially the last hour and a half of the drive or so. Just take a look around. This is our location out here. It is awesome. It's super sunny. It's probably almost 80 degrees out here. Not much wind in between these valleys, so we're hoping to get some water time in today. We're gonna take the funicular up to a viewing spot, and then if we have time, we're gonna eat some dinner up there as well, catch the sunset at some point, and then tomorrow we're hoping to do a boat tour on the lake before we get out of here tomorrow afternoon. So kind of a quick stop of 24 hours, but should be a really nice trip.
Yep. So one quick note about parking. If you're driving to Hallstatt, you'll realize real quickly that you cannot drive within the town limits. And there is a large parking lot within walking distance. It's 15 euros a day, but we'd recommend trying to get a hotel or Airbnb that has free parking like ours.
Welcome to our Hallstatt apartment. So it's really nice. We actually got upgraded last minute because the room we were supposed to stay in is a studio, and they actually extended another night, so she gave us a place that's actually bigger, has 2 bedrooms, and it has a balcony. So let's take a look at it. Come on in. All right, so first things first, a little bathroom on the side here. Nothing special, just, you know, a separate toilet
room.
and then the kitchen's here on the right. It's pretty big actually. Has a dishwasher and oven range. It's got a nice booth here, and it looks out over at the mountains. Look out the window here. A pretty good sized fridge and sink. And let's check out the rest of it.
Squeaky.
Squeaky. It's very old. That's okay. It's character. We got the shower here. Pretty plentiful space there. Good lighting throughout. And this is the first bedroom. Probably won't stay in here because it's a little bit smaller, but it's kind of funny. It's got a sink.
Random sink.
It's like, you know, that would be nice if you were sharing this with somebody else, but it's just here this weekend. Us here this weekend, rather. So here's our bedroom we claimed, and it's also got a walkout balcony. Best part of the apartment thus far is this balcony. Look at this view, guys. Literally so beautiful.
Mm-hmm. You can hear the stream a little bit.
Go around the side of it. Go around the side too and check it out.
Okay, it's funicular time.
So we are at the Salzbergbahn Funicular. We're gonna take it to the top and get some good views of Hallstatt. We're actually staying just kind of outside the city center of Hallstatt, but yeah, it's crazy like how empty it is. We were just talking about how the line up here would like kind of wrap around probably in other days because there's so many like doors and entrances that you have to go through. But we were literally here alone. So we're gonna get up there, take some good views, but yeah, it's crazy how empty it is here in Salzburg in Hallstatt. Time to go up. Going up on a Tuesday.
So Hallstatt is a 30-minute walk. No.
Rudolfsturm.
Rudolfsturm. Okay.
You could say just eat there.
We just ate at Restaurant Rudolfsturm, and it had like 4 other people there eating. We got some delicious beer, goulash soup, and now we are walking about 30 minutes downhill to the town of Hallstatt. And the reason that we decided to do this instead of the 5-fingered lookout point and the ice caves is because one way up here was €11 per person. And then we're just going to walk down because we want to do a little bit hiking anyways. But if we were to do a round trip, I think it was €20 a person.
It was, yeah.
And then the 5-fingered lookout point, it was like
34 per person. And that didn't even give you access to anything. But if you paid an extra €4 when you go up there, you could get access to the Mammoth Cave or the Ice Cave. But we didn't plan quite well enough, so it's mid-June and we didn't think about an ice cave in the middle of the Alps. So.
They said that it was like 26 degrees average inside, so we were like, yeah, that'd be cool Fahrenheit. To see, but we're not doing that. Not today. What do we get, Will?
We got some zirbenschnapps, which is pine cone schnapps, and it's good. It's really specific to our region that we're in here in Hallstatt, and especially Eastern Austria. And we've never had it before, but it's pretty tasty.
We've tried it a bunch since coming here because we knew we wanted to buy some.
Yeah, when we were in Vienna, we looked in multiple different shops and we only found like one bottle of it, and it was about €40. So we got this one for 17. It was a little bit smaller, but yeah, still didn't want to spend too much.
Yeah,
it's not something we're gonna drink that frequently. So yeah.
So now we're off to dinner. Are you joking? Are you seeing so? Are you gonna be scared? We think they're friends. Do it. We're gonna bottom out. It's on the camera. It's fine. So we just finished up dinner at this pizza place, a little bit outside of town, but closer to where we're staying. And we decided to just walk all around and see what's going on, which is not a lot, but it's kind of nice.
We are in the park and just did a nice zip line. The sun's kind of setting beyond the hills, so we're not going to get a great view of it, but the lighting's definitely beautiful out here on the lake, and just really nice temperature out as well, really comfortable.
Cool. So tonight we're just gonna hang out, walk around some more, and then get up early tomorrow and try to get some more views in before.
Yeah, maybe a boat tour.
Yes, boat tour. Or like, okay.
Bye.